Dear students, welcome to Academia Ambala. Today we will be talking about compositional arrangement of Rajasthani miniature paintings. When we are talking of the compositional arrangement of this particular school, it is beautifully done and is very well composed. So cause of which looking at the painting makes it very eye-catching. It is extremely proportionate. For example, the size of the human figure in accordance with the size of the hut or the nature shown is very balanced. Now let's talk about the paintings which we are covering in our syllabus of 12th standard. The very first painting is Maruragini. This painting is a vertical painting, is well balanced and has a proper horizon. In painting, it is shown a king, queen, two escorts, one attendant and a dog, all in a very well composed manner. Lines and colors used here is again very rhythmic and soothing to eyes. Bani Thani. Over here, Bani Thani is used for Radha, which means Radha's portrait, which is very well turned out. This painting is from Kishangarh School of Art and is a portrait work with side profile. The face of Bani Thani is elongated with a receding forehead. The eyebrows are arched, lotus-like eyes. The nose is long and pointed. Swelling out lips, which means that the lips are pouted. Pointed chin, lines are very sharp. Over here it is shown that the left hand of Radha is holding the lotus buds of pink and white color, and in the right hand Radha is holding her dupatta, her odhni, which has very beautiful golden motifs and a golden border to it. Now let's talk about the painting Raja Anirudh Singh Hira, which belongs to Bundi school. In this painting we can see the influence of Mughal style of decoration. Raja Anirudh Singh is seen sitting on the backside of a white horse. Raja is shown holding a white rose while the horse is running very fast, and he is holding the reins of the horse. The front legs of the horse is not touching the ground while the horse is balanced on its hind legs. The tail of horse is showing the fast speed, and a sword has been shown along with the king. So the artist had tried to capture the speed, the power of the horse and the bravery of Raja Anirudh Singh in this painting. The background of this painting is in dark blue black color, which is in contrast with the color of the horse, which is white. Plus the costume of the Raja is again in the transparent white and orange combination. So the entire composition is very eye-catching. Bharat meets Rama at Chitrakoot. This painting is from Jaipur school. In this painting, Bharat has come to meet his brother Rama along with his three mothers and Guru Vishwamitra. We can see 49 figures have been arranged in the whole composition. Scenes like Rama touching feet of his Guru, Lakshmana facing Guru Vishwamitra with folded hands, Rama meeting his mothers, some ladies sitting and some standing. It is a well composed painting. Now when we say that we can see 49 figures, remember in the miniature painting, the artist is such blessed that in the miniature painting also he has composed 49 figures in such a way that it is looking very graceful and is not making the composition seem crowded. Now let's talk about Chaugan players. Chaugan players of Jodhpur school is a horizontal painting. Over here we can see 6 ladies, out of which 2 are princess and 4 are maids. They are all sitting on 6 horses individually, like one lady sitting on the back of one horse. And the entire scene is shown in a semicircle. 2 princesses are facing each other and 4 maids, or say friends, 2 on each side of the painting, 2 on the right hand side and 2 on the left hand side, are also facing each other. They are all playing polo. 6 polo sticks are covering the ball which is in the center. The composition is again well balanced. Lines and colors are rhythmic and very beautifully used. Krishna on swing from Bikaner Sub School. There are 2 episodes mentioned in the painting. All the objects of this composition like swing, porch, terrace, trees, figures, etc. are well balanced. Female jealousy has been depicted in this painting in a very beautiful manner. Now when we say female jealousy, what do we mean? What happens once Krishna takes some other gopi to the swing other than Radha, which makes Radha very upset? So in the first episode we can see in the upper portion that Krishna is sitting on the swing and the Radha, she is sitting on the porch or say terrace, and they both are looking at each other, but nobody out of them is initiating to start the conversation. Why? Because of the ego. So now in the second part of the painting we can see that Radha and Krishna, they are both sitting separately in front of different trees and beautiful pillows are placed behind them. In the center we can also see one gopi. She is talking to Krishna and is trying to convince him and remind him about the love and friendship that he has towards Radha. So he should take initiative and go and calm Radha down and make her feel better. So with this we are done with the explanation and compositional arrangement of the Rajasthani School of Art. Thank you.